Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial on how to use iMovie and editing and all that stuff. Today I'll be showing you, if you've seen my other video on how to, actually in my other video, let's go to Chrome. That's just what I use, crap. Alrighty, let's go over here. And we're gonna go over here, my channel. Oh my gosh. So in this video, I didn't explain much. This is how it's gonna look though. So let's see. And ignore the stuff in the background. This doesn't really explain. All I did was use arrows and stuff, and that did not help. So today I am going to be showing you how to do all that. And I don't really care about that. Let me take a look at this. All right. So today, if you have iMovie, if you don't have iMovie, go iMovie. And if it doesn't pop up on here, so if you see it might pop up iMovie 9.0.9, that does not have as many options as iMovie. So you're going to want to click on iMovie instead, and that works better. So if you don't have iMovie, get it from the App Store. It's really helpful. So I'm going to go to Create New Movie. Don't do Trailer because that's a lot more different than other stuff. I'm going to go to Import Media. I'm going to go to where I want my video. So if you want a video, you click this button up here, and then you come down here. Ignore all the other stuff you see. And I'm going to select my video, put this down here. And so you know how I did it. So this is actually the raw footage. And this is just me putting apples there, putting my hand in here. So when my hand goes down, it goes like this, follow the mouse, and it goes down here. And I already have an apple right about here. So I'm going to grab the apple as I come out. And then I move over here, and I'm going to take my hand, put it through here. There we go. I'm just kidding. So we're going to take that, and it's going to pull it through. And so that's all I need. And you have this handy dandy square up here. So I'm going to go to and skim. And obviously you might not be doing DVDs, books, bowls, all this weird stuff. You might not be using it like I did. So, but if you're doing something similar to this, what you're going to want to do is get past all that setting up the camera. And so I'm going to go to where I actually take my hand and show it to you guys and click split clip. Right click, and then you go down to split clip, then right click again, delete, because we don't need all that junk. And so I'm going to put my hand in here, take that out, and so when I say I'm done, like that, or all done, I don't know what I said, I'm going to split clip, and so now I have this first part over here. Now I'm going to go to where I walk over here, and I start to put my hand in right there, split clip, take this, delete it. And so now I'm going to find out where I put my hand in, and that's starting right there, split clip. And now that's just a marker basically. You don't have to split your clip. I actually did that on accident, but hey. Oh, and before you put that up there, you're going to take this stuff at the end. So like here, I don't need that. This is just me walking away, so I'm going to click delete. Take this, put it up where I split the clip. And you're not going to want to delete any of this other stuff. So now you're going to click this top clip, come up here to these two squares, go down to cutaway. Green/blue screen is what you're going to click. And now it'll have these dots over here. So you're going to move them until you see two pictures. And this is if you wanted to know how you would create two people in the same image. But that's not what I want you to do today. So I'm going to come over here. going to come over here. And I only want to do it up until this line. And yes, I did use Daddy Daycare movie disc. It's a good movie. I was in a rush, so I just used what the tools I had. And so now if you come back over here, you can see what it's going to look like. And we're basically done, but not quite. So let me check to make sure that's right. And then I grab it. Oh, wait. All right, let me move this a little bit to here. All right, so we're gonna need to move that back a little. Now I just ignore the split clip. All right, so let's see if I got it right this time. That's a little bit too far. Let's try this. And obviously, I don't want it showing the apple at the end, so I'm just gonna cut it down to here. And we'll see how that works out. And let's see. And I don't want it to end on the apple. Gosh darn it. There. All right. And so now I have this full video. Let's look at it. I'm putting my hand in. It's going over here. It's not perfect. All right. And let's try to put it here. Will that work? There we go. So that will work. And that's where we're going to end it. And then that's going to be good. And so now we go to projects. I'm going to name this something like hand DVD. Because DVD cases, I usually just use keywords. You're going to come over here. So as you can see, there was that line of mess ups. And so it's a different color here. So if you want to take care of that, you can come over here, click this button, come over here, file, next, desktop. I want to do it to desktop. So save, and it's going to take like a few seconds to import. And I want to close that. So now I have it right here. So now I'm going to come over here. All right. And then we'll go to create new movie and import media, desktop. I'm going to come down to hand DVD. All right, so it'll be the full run through and it won't be all cut and everything. So now we're going to click this clip, come up here to the three circles, clip filter. We don't want none, we want blockbuster. So let's go ahead and click that. And that will do a little bit to the color, not that much, but it's something. So, all right, and we can go back to projects, hand, DVD, full. I'm just doing full. And then we can take this out here. Unless you want to keep the original, which is totally fine. I mean, I don't do that. Oh, crap. Man, I hate when I do that. I clicked the wrong buttons. Anyway, I'm going to take these over here. Make sure you don't delete your one that you just did. But if you do have a Mac, well, I guess that wouldn't work. Check out my other videos. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.